Welcome to Line Art Bingo. I'm so happy to see you here. Today I will show you an easy way to create a nice sky full of stars, dreamy gradients and a distant mountain silhouettes, all using watercolor and a little bit of a white gouache. I have chosen illustration by Molly Harrison that is printed on Amazon paper. You don't need expensive supplies to make something amazing. Okay, let's get started. First, we will be creating a colorful night sky. Starting with a method called wet on dry, this way we will get the most saturated color. As much as I like the saturation we're getting here, I really want us to try the wet on wet technique next. What do you think? Will Amazon paper survive this? Oh, the color travels really nicely. I think we'll be able to create a beautiful texture and very smooth natural transitions between the colors. Yeah, okay, the paper crinkled a lot, but let's be honest, for Amazon paper, I think it's holding this amount of water really well, don't you think? Let me know in the comments, are you as surprised as I am? Okay, it took quite a few layers to get where we are, but I'm quite happy with how it's turning out. What do you think? Okay, I think we're good. Let's move on to the next stage, shall we? So right now, this is a pretty simple page. It's nice, but I want to give it more depth and a little more to look at. Let's add some mountains, maybe a few trees, because why not? To make this feel like a real expansive space, I will be using a technique called atmospheric perspective. This is all about how things look different as they get farther away from us. We will be painting 3 layers of mountains, each one with a different shade to create a sense of distance. Farthest mountain, this one will be the darkest. It's way off in the distance, so we will use a deep rich color. This will create a strong contrast against the sky and will help set the scene. For the middle mountain, we will use a little bit lighter shade than for the first. As we move closer, the air between us and the object makes the color appear less saturated and a little bit brighter. For the closest mountain, well, this mountain will be the lightest. It's right in the foreground, so it will appear the most vibrant and detailed. This is the final step in creating that layered, 3-dimensional effect. Have you ever wondered how to make your starry night paintings look like they can go on forever? It's all about creating depth, and one of the best ways to do that is by playing with the size and brightness of your stars. The key to this is your water to gouache ratio. Think of it like a recipe. For distant stars, we will use high ratio of water to gouache. For mid-distance stars, we will use more balanced ratio of water to gouache, and for the close-up stars, we will use a low ratio of water to gouache. By layering these different consistencies, you are not just creating a pattern, you are building a realistic sense of perspective. It's a simple technique, but it makes a huge difference in making your paintings feel alive and three-dimensional. Give it a try. And here it is, from a plain Amazon paper sheet to a finished watercolor piece. It just goes to show you don't need fancy materials to make something truly beautiful. If you found this helpful or inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people to find the video. I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what kind of backgrounds you like to add to your pages, or if you have ever tried watercolor on Amazon paper. And if you enjoy creative videos like this, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks so much for watching and happy coloring. See you next time!